Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best DeWalt Tire Inflator that for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best DeWalt Tire Inflator at 4 smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to portability and power, the DeWalt DCC020IB Tire Inflator stands out as a top-tier choice for on-the-go inflation needs. Designed with professionals and everyday drivers in mind, this 20V MAX cordless inflator offers precision, convenience, and durability all packed into one rugged tool. Whether you're inflating car tires, sports equipment, or bike tires, the DCC020IB delivers fast and accurate results. Its automatic shutoff feature allows you to preset the desired PSI, ensuring you never overinflate. Once the target pressure is reached, the inflator stops automatically, saving you time and offering peace of mind. Built with DeWalt's signature reliability, this inflator includes a high-pressure rubber hose, threaded chuck, and onboard accessory storage for needles and nozzles. A bright LED light is integrated into the design, making it ideal for nighttime roadside emergencies or dimly lit garages. One of the standout features is its versatile power options. While this model, tool only, does not come with a battery, it is compatible with DeWalt's 20V MAX battery system, as well as 12V DC and 110V AC adapters, sold separately. This makes it adaptable for home, car, or job site use. Compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, the DeWalt DCC020IB is a must-have for vehicle owners, cyclists, and contractors alike. If you already own DeWalt 20V MAX tools, this inflator fits seamlessly into your collection. Key features: automatic shutoff for precise inflation, LED light for dark environments, cordless design with 3 power source options, onboard storage for accessories, durable construction for long-term use. For those looking for a dependable and efficient air inflator, the DeWalt DCC020IB combines portability, performance, and smart features, making it a smart investment for any toolkit. Thanks for watching the video.